Hello everyone, this is Tate, the lawn cutting and rail fanning musician. I got my Sprayak disco ball going up there. Yes, we're going to shine some light in this video because today I have another Amazon package. Because I was trying to do this video and I don't know what was going on with the camera, but I basically took it out of the big box, so this is what we get. This is the thing we're going to be unboxing. This is the Monster Illuminescence LED light bar, RGB, full color spectrum. Let's get going. Alright, so first let's go ahead and it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but I'm going to do it. So, you know what? Let's take it over here and we will unbox it. Y'all will be able to see the Sprayak disco ball, but at the same time, if my clock strikes, it's okay because we're going to be good. You know what? That's not a good place. You know what? Let's put it up against the like I said, I told you all the clock would strike. But I'm going to go ahead and move some stuff around so we can do this video here. Alright, we're going to set it right next to the fish tank, which is good because you'll all be able to see hear the aerator going. Well, let's get this thing open. So, we're going to undo this. Do this little sticky pack. We'll set that off to the side. And I'll let y'all see that too, the unboxing. Alright, and I will flip this over, and we will go ahead and unbox the rest. Like I said, I'll show you all this in front of the camera. Alright, let's go ahead and I'll flip this over so y'all can see. This is what we get. We have the light bar, we have the remote, alright, here it is. Let me go ahead and I will set this to the side for y'all. Alright, so let me pull this thing out. That's the plastic piece of the remote. Oh, sorry YouTube, I just accidentally dropped the camera. This is the remote. Sorry, I'm stuttering a bit. But that's the remote right there. And here is the stand for the LED bar. There it is. Alright. And here we go. Here's the light bar. It's got a USB package, a USB port. Oh, that's actually a really nice one. Well, I'm going to go ahead and undo this twist tie for y'all. So, we will go ahead and do that. Now, this is RGB, so I will unplug my camera. I will not unplug my camera. I'm not going to stop the camera for this video because I'm going to leave the camera going because I'm going to demonstrate this for y'all. So, alright, now I'm going to... Alright, so now we are going to take the light bar over here. Right here. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go grab my phone and we'll go ahead and plug it in. Alright, let me grab the remote too, so that way, you know, I'll just go ahead and grab everything for y'all. So, right, there's the stand. There is the remote. I'm going to go ahead and set the remote over here next to the bar. Set the stand on my bed. Alright, here we go. Now, I do have some things plugged in over here, so I'm going to come around here and I'm going to unplug this. Alright, because that is my old phone charger. Now, I'm going to come over here and we're going to plug this thing in. And we're going to see how it works. Alright, there's the cord. It's got a really nice cord on it. I mean, alright, here we go. Let me make sure that's plugged in all the way. And, oh, nice. So it's got white. Now, the lights are not as bright on here, but it's awesome. I mean, we'll just go ahead and we will we will go ahead and I will show y'all. It's got the color spectrum on here. So yes, it'll do your red, green, blue, cyan. It's got, let's see. You know what? Let's see what it does. All right, let's see. Oh. How does this work? So this is the remote that comes with it. Oh, let me make sure that's the right way. I don't know exactly where the infrared reader is, but we are going to look for it. You know what? Let me go ahead and set this up here for y'all, and then we will demo it with some light. Alright, let me just grab this. So this is the Monster light bar. Well, it's supposed to change colors. Let me see, where is the infrared? Oh, I see. So if we take it right here, it should... Oh, wait, do I need to install the batteries in the remote? Let me see. On YouTube, let me see if I have to get some batteries in the remote. I really shouldn't. It should work automatically. But this is the Monster Illuminescence Mood Light for... Let me see. Well, I tell you what, YouTube. I will go ahead and I will end this video. And then once I figure out the remote, we will do another video. Thank you for watching.